Hello everyone, today I will show you how to freeze Roma tomatoes the easy lazy way. First of all, what I do, I have prepared 2 bowls of cold water, 1 and 2 bowls. The first bowl, I like to put some salt in it. Usually salt, I prefer salt for preservation, or if I don't have any of that, sea salt. And what I do, I stir the salt in the water like this, and then I put the tomatoes in, soak in the salt water like this, maybe for a minute, for a few seconds or a minute. And the reason for that is that it will kill the whatever germs or little bugs there is on the tomatoes. Like if there's any little bugs or stuff we don't see, it kills it. So I wash it real good, and then after that, after a minute or two, I put it in another bowl of water just to rinse out the salt. And then I take the tomatoes out of that water. And then I take a hand towel just to make things go faster. And I dry the tomatoes with a hand towel. I don't know if you can see. So just for the sake of this video, I will do one bag, one little baggie, and then when we finish drying these tomatoes, we put it in freezer bags. And I got a little freezer bag right here, and I just fill the freezer bag. And when I shut the freezer bag, I make sure I try not to have too much air. I try to take the air out as much as possible. Some people take a straw, put a straw on the corner of the bag, and just inhale or breathe out the air that is in the bag. And that is very simple. That's all there is to it. I don't know if you can see. And then you put it in the freezer, and then when it's time to cook, you just get it out of the freezer and you cook it, and the skin comes out very easily, and it tastes very fresh, just out of the garden. Anyways, thank you very much for watching. You can look in the description below. There might be some information there that might be useful for you. And wishing everyone bright blessings. Thank you for watching.